Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Gboard the default keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on keyboard list and default, and then click on default keyboard. Now from here, if you have choose any other keyboard, then to set the Gboard as default keyboard, select Gboard. So here it will show you different variety of languages, so choose your native language and then the Gboard will be set as your default keyboard. So that's how you can make the Gboard the default keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.